Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the advantages of using organic fertilizers in your garden. Organic fertilizers are made from natural ingredients such as animal waste, compost, or plant residues. One of the biggest advantages of organic fertilizers is that they release nutrients slowly, providing a steady supply to plants over time. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, organic fertilizers do not cause chemical imbalances in the soil, promoting a healthier and more sustainable soil ecosystem. Organic fertilizers improve soil structure and moisture retention, allowing plants to grow stronger and healthier roots. They also enhance the ability of the soil to absorb water, reducing the risk of erosion and improving water quality. Organic fertilizers contain a wide range of essential nutrients, including micronutrients, that are beneficial for plant growth. These fertilizers increase soil fertility, leading to higher crop yields and overall agricultural productivity. Due to their natural composition, organic fertilizers are safe to use around children, pets, and wildlife. Long-term use of organic fertilizers improves the soil's natural fertility, reducing the need for additional fertilizers in the future. Organic fertilizers promote the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, contributing to a more balanced and resilient ecosystem. So, whether you're a passionate gardener or a commercial farmer, consider switching to organic fertilizers for a greener and healthier garden.